Welcome to Herbal Help. Dive into the world of natural remedies and holistic wellness with us. On this channel, we explore the healing powers of herbs, offering practical tips, DIY recipes, and insightful discussions on incorporating herbal remedies into your daily life. Whether you're seeking solutions for common ailments, curious about herbalism, or simply want to embrace a more natural lifestyle, join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of herbal healing and nurture your mind, body, and spirit. Today, I'm going to share a recipe for long-lasting energy and focus. Energy-boosting tea, Myrrh Gum and Tongkat Ali. This herbal tea is designed to naturally enhance your energy levels, improve focus, and promote overall wellness. The combination of Myrrh Gum, Tongkat Ali. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon Myrrh Gum Powder, 1 teaspoon Tongkat Ali Powder, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 to 2 teaspoons raw honey, to taste 2 cups. Water instructions. Boil the water. Bring 2 cups of water to a boil in a small pot or saucepan. Add the powders. Once the water boils, reduce the heat to low. Stir in the Myrrh Gum Powder, Tongkat Ali Powder, and ginger powder. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure the powders dissolve as much as possible. Strain the tea. Pour the tea through a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth into a mug to remove undissolved particles. Sweeten with honey. Allow the tea to cool slightly, so the heat doesn't destroy the beneficial enzymes in the honey. Then stir in raw honey to taste. Serve and enjoy. Drink this tea warm to fully experience its soothing and energizing effects. Health benefits of the ingredients. Myrrh Gum Powder boosts the immune system with its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Promotes improved circulation and general vitality. Acts as a grounding herb, supporting mental clarity and focus. Tongkat Ali Powder enhances energy and reduces fatigue by supporting hormonal balance, particularly testosterone levels. Acts as an adaptogen, helping the body cope with stress and improving stamina. Supports cognitive function, making it easier to stay focused and productive. Ginger powder improves digestion and supports nutrient absorption, ensuring your body gets the most out of the tea, promotes healthy circulation, and provides a warming, invigorating effect. Contains anti-inflammatory compounds, reducing muscle fatigue and soreness. Raw honey provides a natural energy boost through its easily digestible sugars. Contains antioxidants and antibacterial properties to support overall health. Balances the strong and bitter flavors of Tongkat Ali and Myrrh Gum, making the tea more palatable. How to use. Drink this tea in the morning or early afternoon to naturally enhance your energy levels and focus. Avoid drinking it late in the day, as the energizing effects may interfere with sleep. Limit to 1 cup per day, especially if you're new to Tongkat Ali, as it is a potent herb. This blend not only energizes but also supports overall wellness, making it an excellent addition to your daily routine.